This is the specimen of anterior abdominal wall. This is anterior aspect of anterior abdominal wall. This is upper end, this is lower end. You can see this is umbilicus. Now what you can see, this is anterior layer of rectus sheath. This is anterior rectus sheath, and this anterior rectus sheath encloses this muscle which is originating from here and inserting on this side. This muscle is rectus abdominis. So this muscle is rectus abdominis, and this muscle is enclosed by aponeurosis of external oblique, internal oblique and transversus abdominis. Now we will see, when you look at this muscle, this is external oblique muscle. When you look at carefully towards this muscle, the direction of fibers is like putting hands in the pocket. Like this is the direction of external oblique. Now I am reflecting this external oblique. Now exactly opposite to this, like this is the direction of internal oblique. Here you will be see, this is internal oblique muscle. After reflecting internal oblique, this muscle is transversus abdominis. Only small part can be visible here. This is the direction of transversus abdominis fibers. Now aponeurosis is nothing but the flattened tendon. When these muscles are inserting at this line, they get attached to each other, the aponeurosis of these three muscles, and combiningly at various places it forms rectus sheath. Anteriorly rectus sheath is complete, you can see over here. So this rectus sheath from both the side fuses in this line, which is called as linea. This line is called as linea alba. Now the junction of fusion, which is over here, so this line forms linea semilunaris. Except from upper part, from costal margin till the middle of umbilicus and pubic symphysis, anterior rectus sheath is formed by aponeurosis of external oblique and anterior layer of aponeurosis of internal oblique. Internal oblique aponeurosis is splitting, the anterior layer is adhering with the aponeurosis of external oblique to form this anterior layer of rectus sheath. Now we will turn the specimen to see the posterior aspect of anterior abdominal wall. Now this is posterior aspect of anterior abdominal wall. Now this is umbilicus, and what you can see over here, this portion is nothing but the posterior rectus sheath, and till this point this is arcuate line. You will be able to see this line is called as arcuate line or semilunar line. This arcuate line till this point, above arcuate line, posterior aspect of rectus sheath is formed by fusion of aponeurosis of posterior layer of internal oblique and aponeurosis of transversus abdominis. And below this line, rectus abdominis is directly resting. What you can see here, this is fascia transversalis. This what I am lifting is fascia transversalis, and rectus abdominis is directly resting on fascia transversalis. Another point is, now this is umbilicus. From umbilicus, this is median umbilical ligament, and that is nothing but obliterated urachus. Lateral to this, these two are median umbilical ligament, and these are obliterated umbilical arteries. Lateral to that, these two are lateral umbilical folds, and these lateral umbilical folds contain inferior epigastric artery. You will be able to see in this is inferior epigastric artery. Now this is inferior epigastric artery. Along with this rectus abdominis, rectus sheath also contains pyramidalis, inferior epigastric artery, which anastomoses with the superior epigastric artery. So that is all about rectus sheath.